12. High temperature simulation and analysis. Click the Simulation Condition menu, click the Simulated button, add the PowerLine vector file, select the PowerLine type, switch the Simulation Parameter tab, and set the wire temperature under the simulated working conditions. Select the insulator file and specify the simulated vector line file and the simulated working condition file. Click the Start button to run. Right-click, add the simulated PowerLine vector file. You can see that the wire has moved down after the temperature of the wire increases. Click the Danger Points button to add the high temperature simulation file, and click the Start button to calculate the simulated clearance danger point. Click the Image button and select the Clearance Danger option to generate the image. Click Report button, select Based on Simulated Data, select Clearance Danger for detection type, add high temperature simulation file, enter the line name and click Start button to generate the report. Click the Open Working Directory button to view the Word report and Excel report.